And then governors in AGs and going to meet in big meet in Amblipiti, Yodagama Training Center. And then all Hambantota area, people come leaders, Janasavi leaders come there, and I want to talk with them because my village going on something different. And then GA Mitraratna, and he hear that, and then he 1989 he said all women come to 129 women come to Amblipitia Training Center, and then
they were from all over Hambantota district.
Yes. And after that they all talk about this program. It's good program, going to village, every village they're going round
to copy Godawaya.
And now want to bank and organize bank. And how many bank? There's a 67 bank organized.
So each group of villages, like 3 or 4 villages, came together and they'd have their own Janasakti bank.
And then
and it was at this time that it was called the Janasakti Bank.
And between this organized, before we another thing organized, in children in the house, mother can't go into work, group work, can't do in that. And we talk about again, now 3
How do we give
children,
these
5 children want to training in play group.
Yeah.
Going to play group, and mother can't sign in anything in her
The mother
name.
doesn't know how to read or write.
Another group.
Yeah.
And reading library.
Yeah.
We pictures, writing pictures. And another group organized library.
To teach them how to read and write.
Reading, the writing, and how to sign in. And different way we organize that's between. And then all after that after everybody notices this program is good and going to organize A-level, O-level pass girls.
Daughters of Janasakti families.
Janasakti, not in building, and put them in the house.
So the banks were in, one family would provide a room in their house to have the local Janasakti bank.
Yes.
And then you train up daughters who had A-levels to be the people who worked in the bank to keep the accounts straight.
Yes, and that's we gather work. It is very important and very now very high all over the Sri Lanka. Janasakti now Samurdhi going.
Now it's called Samurdhi. Yeah.
Janasakti Hambantota is still going on.
Yeah.
And making Janasakti big buildings, big building in, now we have got training centers, and we have got everything in another countries, people helping, and I think 1 year, 2 year later, so lots money coming in, the foreigners money, and different way helping. Now anybody can't do in Janasakti fall down because going higher.
And all the people who were poor at that time are now independent and they're able to support themselves.
Yes.
And as more people come in, then it's helping the poor to become independent and help themselves.
All independent, and all now, not any poor people in Janasakti, not any poor people. They have got now good
houses with tiled roofs,
good toilets, good electric, water, everything now they organize. Before nothing.
And people aren't isolated when they're poor because you still have the 5 groups, don't you?
Yeah, 5
like
groups.
1 woman from each household, and they're organized into 5 groups. And those groups, household groups, meet every week or whenever they need help.
Every week, yes.
So that women aren't on their own.
Yes.
And they help each other with all their problems, husband problems, children problems.
They talk about that.
Yeah.
They talk about in husband problem, my husband drinking, my husband's nothing left anything and beating me and everything they have in her heart, keeping all thing. After that, they organize in the group. They're going to talking everything. Oh, my husband here, my husband that bad, and my husband drinking, and that's we talk each other talking.
So
and
it's self-help.
that's them help themselves.
Yes.
And,
Helping people to help themselves.
Yeah, and lot of many people, men drinking lot of drink and stove, smoking stove. How much money going on? We not in you stop. You stop in.
You don't do that,
smoking.
no.
We not do that.
No.
We said how much you drink.
How much money are you
alcohol?
spending on
How
alcohol?
much you spend the money? How much is smoking you money? We telling about you rupees. How many rupees you going to a day? 20 rupees. How much to 1 week? 20 rupees. How much 2 weeks? 20 rupees. And we collecting money and then asking how much going on 1 year.
Exactly.
And then they understand it is true. You keeping in the put in the book.
Savings, yeah.
Savings,
And then you
savings.
save it at the Janasakti
Janas-
Bank.
And then
And then that money can be borrowed by people to then start little businesses or buy a fishing net so that they have a bigger share of the catch.
yes.
Or to do dried fish businesses
lot
or
of
shop
people
businesses or
did.
mechanics. Or then if they get ill,
A
instead of...
fisherman have got not any boat.
Yeah,
Fishermen have not
In
any
Godawai
boat.
in
Godawai.
1980s.
All Thangal, other side people coming and
To Godawai.
working in labor work.
Yeah,
in
they were
other
the fishing
people's
labourers for other
and
people's
we talk
boats.
about that. You not labor work.
Yeah, you
Want to own
Save
boat,
save money
Save
and then get
money.
your own boats.
own boat.
And now they've all
we
got
have
boats.
how many boats did
How many boats are there now,
Now
in
I think
Godawai? Is
now
it 80 something?
87
87.
boat in Godawai village.
Yes.
And Mirija village in neighbor village. Everywhere is now
They've got their own boats.
own boat and own work, own now bossy.
And then now they've managed to get more and more money because they save what they get. And
Yes.
then they can then buy paddy fields and that kind of thing, haven't they? A lot of them bought paddy fields.
Yes,
And all the children, because of the play schools, your children, Janasakti children, aren't dropping out of main school any longer, are they?
no.
And some of them have gone on, got A-levels, lots of them now have got A-levels, and many of them have even gone to university.
University. That's we organized time in the 1980s. We organized this project. At that time, our village nobody can't write or read or only 5 people, 6 people. No
And now they can
children
all
going to
read and
school.
write, and now they're all going to
All
school.
going to school and going high mark and
Yeah.
going to university.
And people have three-wheelers, and some even have cars.
Yeah.
And you've all got water taps now, whereas before you used to walk about a mile to the road to get water, didn't you?
Yes.
First of all, you managed to get water in the water taps, communal water taps down the main road.
Yes, electric
Yeah, and then now most people have their own water taps.
water tap,
And everybody's got electricity
own
now.
garden,
Yeah, and they've got their own water taps in their own gardens.
own garden.
So they've got more time for studying instead of fetching water.
water, yeah.
And then they can run little businesses and they can grow their own vegetables. And everybody's got electricity as well, I think, haven't
Yeah.
they now?
Everybody have now.
Whereas before, nobody had
Nobody
electricity.
have now coconut roof.
Yeah,
Now everybody's
got a tiled
good
roof. Yeah.
roof now.
Mm.
Everybody have good house, and that's I'm very happy that. And in past.
And now they're all independent. They don't
Independent.
need help now.
Now not want to help, and now the farmers working own paddy fields now.
And the
People-
sons have businesses.
Businesses. That is Janasakti stories.